guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I will be showing you how to do this Ariana Grande inspired outfit. So what you want to do is go to your local fabric store and get some soft black fabric, sequin and faux leather fabric, needles, pins, black thread, zipper, black Velcro circles, and a halter top. So what I did is used a circle skirt as a stencil over the faux leather material and attached a zipper to it. So what you want to do is use needles to guide you to where you want to sew it together. For the halter top, I used some white chalk to outline where you're gonna cut it, and I bought some bra pad inserts at my local fabric store and just attached them as well. Fabric over the halter top, and using the pins you're going to guide your way into sewing it together. For the neck piece, you're going to use the black soft fabric to make a circle, and you do the same for the sequin fabric. For the bottom piece, you make a triangle and attach it to the top piece, and you overlap them together and sew it together. So using some Velcro stickers, you're going to attach the neck piece together. So the neck piece to the halter top. And so yeah, that's the look. You pair it with some thigh-high boots, and here I'm wearing it with my tight like she did, but I personally like it without the tights. So yeah, that's the final look. Thanks for watching.